Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take NutriFactor Gluta Fair. This supplement is designed to support skin health and brightness. For optimal results, you should take 1 to 2 capsules each day. It is best to consume them with a meal, as this helps with absorption and minimizes any potential stomach discomfort. Remember to follow the instructions carefully for the best experience. To maximize the benefits of Gluta Fair, always take your capsules with a full glass of water. Establishing a consistent daily routine is crucial, as visible changes often require several weeks of regular use. It is generally recommended to avoid taking this supplement on an empty stomach to prevent any mild digestive upset. If you are pregnant or nursing, please consult your doctor first. It is very important not to exceed the recommended daily dosage of 1 to 2 capsules. Always store your Gluta Fair in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. Ensure it is kept safely out of reach of children. Remember, while beneficial, this supplement is not a replacement for a healthy, balanced diet and a good skincare regimen. When taking Gluta Fair, it is important to have realistic expectations, as individual results can vary significantly. You might begin to notice changes after several weeks of consistent use, but patience is key. For the best possible outcomes, combine your supplement intake with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and adequate hydration. If you experience any adverse reactions, please stop using the product immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.